Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate ghost mode in Snapchat. So for you to be able to do that, just tap on the profile icon. From there you tap on the settings, which is gear button, then you scroll down a little, then you tap on see my location under privacy control, then you tap on see my location. Then from here you can simply turn off this ghost mode. Once this mode is off, then this means your location can be easily be accessed by your friend and by iOS that you are using precisely. So once you do that, then you tap it off. You tap the button, then you can simply open the settings, then you configure your privacy level from your iPhone settings, then you activate the location, and that is how to deactivate ghost mode in Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.